Welcome to Vima. When we hear mango cake, many of us start mouth-watering. Yes, of course, me too. Now we can see how to make eggless mango cake without oven and butter paper. Before going into the video, those who didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe so that you will get alert whenever video is uploaded in Vima. Nevertheless, you will not miss any of our videos. Initially, I thought making cake without oven is quite difficult. No, not at all. We will get spongy, puffy cake without oven as well as butter paper too. Come, let us start the preparations. Ingredients required are 2 mangoes, in which 1 mango is chopped into pieces initially, 250 gram of rice flour, 100 gram of rava, 200 gram of sugar, powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half tablespoon of baking soda, butter as needed, 150 ml of milk, boiled milk. First make mango paste by grinding the chopped mango pieces very well. Make it so smooth like this. Take a dry pan, put the rice flour into it. Instead of rice flour, you can use maida as well. Mix it well. Then take rava and put it into the rice flour along with the rice flour. Mix it well so that it will be spread even all over. Then powdered sugar. I had taken here 150 gram of powdered sugar. Very well mix it. Then take the mango paste which we had grinded earlier and mix well. Mix well in such a way that no hard clotings are formed. See, now it had mixed very well. Mango pulp is spread even. We cannot differentiate any rice flour or rava separately. Have to mix in such a way. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, also half tablespoon of baking soda. Then mix it well. After mixing, take butter as your requirement. Mix the butter throughout. Now pour milk into it. Don't add all the milk at a time. Add some amount, mix well. Then add according to the needed level for mixing to get a smooth consistency. Mixing is so important so that you will get spongy cake at the end. See now, with continuous mixing, the consistency is changing. You have to mix in such a way you get this type of consistency. Then keep it aside for 15 minutes. During that time, you can make ready the heating pan. I have taken here the non-stick pan. You can use pressure cooker also. If you have a silver stand, you can use it in the place of silver plate. Here I had used silver plate upside down. Kept the flame in low, medium. In order to reduce the heat outflow, you can put a small towel over this. Let it be there for 15 to 20 minutes. During that time, you can make ready the cake pan. So there is no butter paper. So I am taken this flat pan and poured oil to it and spread it even throughout. Let oil spread everywhere so that the cake will not get sticky into the pan. Once the oil is spread throughout everywhere, you can add wheat flour to it. This is, since we don't have butter paper, we are preparing the cake pan like this, so that our cake batter will not stick into the pan. Make the wheat flour also spread even throughout the pan where the oil is mixed. Do it like this so that wheat flour will get spread even. Also, if you have any extras, you can at the end remove the extras. Little bit extras also remove it at the end. The already prepared cake batter and pour it into the pan. Then tap it like this so that if any air bubbles are there, it will get released out. Tap it for 30 to 40 seconds. Once the tapping is done means keep the cake pan inside the heating pan. Keep it in such a way that the cake pan is not touching the sides of the heating pan. Keep it in the center exactly. Then close the heating pan and put the towel over it. Initially for 5 to 10 minutes, keep it in medium to high flame. Following that, change the flame to low and keep it for 45 minutes. During that time, we can prepare the mango glaze for the topping. Take the other mango and chop it into pieces and grind it in smooth paste as earlier. Grind it so smoothly. Take a pan and put it in low flame. Add mango paste over it. Mix well. Then add powdered sugar which we had kept aside along with mango pulp. Stir well. Mix well so that the texture of the pulp changes once the sugar is completely dissolved. Stir well for 15 to 20 minutes so that the mango pulp turns into a glossy look. See here, the texture is changing with continuous mixing. Keep the flame in low. Now the color of the mango pulp also had changed little bit darker and the appearance is glossy than before. Then keep it aside to become cool. Don't disturb for a while till it gets cool. After 45 minutes, off the heating pan and remove the lid. See, cake had baked very well. The color even changed. Brown, light brown color, yellowish brown color. Once the hot went off, remove the cake pan separately. Then remove the sides with a knife so that the cake will come without sticking into the pan. Put it upside down. See? See here, the cake had baked very well. We can see the roasted layer down. We can change it into a plate. We got a very well round cake. Now we can decorate this cake with the mango pulp which we had made just before. Make a layer of mango pulp over the cake. Spread it even. See, now the cake is getting the glossy look. Spread the mango pulp throughout this cake, along the side also. Spread it even. Now we are getting a glossy mango cake. It's looking very yummy. We can further decorate this cake by adding chocolate powders for a different look. I have made this chocolate powder by grinding the Kit Kat chocolate into fine pieces. You can add these powdered chocolates over the cake in any shape which you like. I have making it round shape. See, it will give a different look for the cake. Also, the taste also will be mixed up. To give a further look for the cake, you can add a happy birthday icon if you are making the cake for your birthdays, for any of your friends' birthday or your relatives' birthday. See, this cake, happy birthday icon, you will get it in normal stationery shops also. So, we can make bakery style cake in home itself without oven, without butter paper. So, eggless mango cake is ready. See how the appearance is. It is looking very glossy. It looks so yummy that now itself it's tempting to eat. Come, let us cut the cake now. See how it is. The cake is so spongy, so puffy, very soft. All of you can try this cake in your house. It's very simple to make. No need of butter paper or oven. You can make use of your household items alone for the preparation. Once you prepare, please give your feedback in the comment box below. Thank you for watching Vima.